Nuclias Connect is an end-to-end on-premise network management solution dedicated to SMB networking, integrating a wide range of access points and more into an essential future-ready solution. Connect provides centralized management from a single pane of glass, allowing you to manage 1,000 access points with the software controller or up to 100 devices with the budget-friendly Nuclias Connect Hub. As a private cloud solution, it's especially designed for use in education, hospitality, retail, and office environments. For those that prefer a hands-on approach to IT administration and data ownership, it provides needs-based functionality and core features that deliver clear benefits. The all-new Nuclias Connect Hub serves as a cost-effective alternative to a bulky management PC or server. It comes preloaded with the Nuclias Connect management software, further saving you time on installation and deployment. The compact yet powerful D-Link 100 Hub effortlessly manages all your access points, even across several sites. It optimizes Wi-Fi coverage, increases security for user authentication, and streamlines management. Connect features indoor ceiling-mounted access points that are built for multi-purpose use and provide the best coverage possible, even for surveillance functions or IoT devices. Wall plate APs also convert any Ethernet port into a high-speed access point, perfect for hotels or student dorms. Pole-mounted APs that are water-resistant and dust-proof are perfect for outdoor areas. With the number of devices growing, secure connections are extremely important. Nuclias has your Wi-Fi connections covered with the latest WPA3 encryption. Nuclias also comes with mesh-ready options, a new concept in your business's connectivity, destroying Wi-Fi dead spots on the way. Nuclias Connect allows easy centralized management of multiple sites, such as retail or hotel chains, while still being budget-friendly. Connect helps you drive more value from your customers and guests. With the custom captive portal, as well as insights and analytics, get to know your customers better and offer a personalized experience. Social login lets guests and customers get online easily and more securely. It not only increases your online presence, also achieve your omni-channel marketing goals with targeted promotions and loyalty programs. A centralized management platform presents greater efficiency, improved reliability, and network knowledgeability. With the intuitive dashboard, admins can easily grasp the ins and outs of the network with real-time network statuses, see network utilization, and even optimize their network to improve performance. Management tasks are automatable. Firmware checking and upgrades, as well as maintenance, can be scheduled for off-peak times to minimize downtime. Automated monitoring makes sure operations run smoothly, with alerts and warning. And with the companion app, features are extended to your smartphone for on-the-go management. So for a business network that is just better, choose Nuclias Connect.